So welcome back to another module in Windows 11 computer tutorial course. So in this module I am going to show you how you can change your computer's passwords and how you can lock your computer. So to access your computer password, just right click on the Windows and type here users, or just type here accounts, or just type here users, and in this other users click here, then come to accounts, then come to sign in options, then come to password, then click change. From here type your current password, press next, type new password, confirm new password, type a hint, and then press next, and your password will be changed. And how you can lock your computer screen, just press Windows plus L key from keyboard, or you just come here and then select this shutdown button and then press lock. Your computer screen will be locked, and if you want to sign in, then you have to type your password. So this is all from this module. See you in the next module.